Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. I'm back to YouTube channel after almost 1 week. Last week I went to Global Village in Dubai. So that time I just got a call from my office. Sir, are you doing any live program? I said no. Then I just checked the channel. Somebody hacked my channel and that guy started doing something about crypto. And the best part of the joke is that whenever I do live program, like only 5,000, 6,000 people come and watch. But when that guy was doing crypto live program, more than 1 lakh people were watching. So in this hacking incident, so one thing I learned, I may have to start doing some live program for crypto. So a fake guy using my channel, if he's getting 1 lakh view, how many views I must be getting? Yeah, so that's fun apart, So thanks to YouTube, so they've taken action. Quickly, my channel has been restored. We had a hell lot of issues, okay, one by one it is getting sorted out. And still my Tamil channel, still have some problem. I think by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, my Tamil channel will be ready. So this is about this one. Coming back to the markets, right? For the last 3 trading sessions, as and when Nifty went very close to 23,870, and then the selling came. The 3 continuous days went to that range and then came back. And then the fall was very severe, like 150 point, 200 point, like that. And also, you may remember, I used to tell you, if a particular month is very bad and that expiry day is very bad, then most probably the first trading session will be, market may be moving higher. In fact, that is how it happened last month also. If you can remember, the November expiry, the Nifty fell 450 points from intraday high to low. The next day recovered, but in December month, it was one of the, I would say, brutal month. There were so many days, the Bank Nifty was going up 1,000 point, coming down 1,000 point, Nifty moving more than 400 point, 500 point, I think maybe because of the SEBI new rule and this and that, the traders are completely wiped out, right? So I think now there are no more, as far as I know, half of the traders either they left the market, and the remaining half of the traders, most of them, they shifted to Dubai. So as far as I know, many big traders have shifted to Dubai. Yeah, so that's a different story. But today is the first trading session. So there's a good sign, a good omen. Market started recovering. But the negative thing is that, though Nifty moved significantly higher than 23,870, but it could not sustain the gain. At some point of time, I think the entire gain was wiped out. I think Nifty came to slightly negative. And the closing, it was struggling to close above 23,800. So that's one thing. Second thing, the Nifty future premium. Usually, it used to be around 150 points, but now it is close to 180, 190 points. That is actually not a good sign, because in the past I have seen, as and when in the beginning of the month, the Nifty future premium is very high, uniformly markets were sold into in the next few trading sessions. So that's a second major concern. And then the third concern is that the continued selling of FII. Usually, before the Christmas, they will finish their job. They will usually go for a holiday. Usually, they are not very active after Christmas. But this time, even after Christmas, every day they are selling. Yesterday, they have sold for 2,500 crores. Today, they have sold for 1,300 crores. So the selling spree continues. And however, today morning, the India VIX was higher, but as the day progressed, the India VIX has come down. So that's a positive sign. Another negative sign is that it is only the Nifty managed to close positive, but otherwise the broader markets, in the mid cap or small cap or next 50, so they're all not doing actually very well. Now, tomorrow I will come out with a video, my outlook for the year 2025. So you may well remember this time, last year in the month of January, I came out with a video, the year 2024, Nifty 24K. So in fact, Nifty closed 23,750. That's somewhere near 24,000. So what is my view for the next year and how you can capture that? So that's another important thing. So what are the factors that can influence and how much it can go higher? That we'll see. Tomorrow I'll do the video. But just for some short summary, the January series started today. So it is a 5-week series with corporate results due. So usually a 5-week series with the corporate results, it tends to be very, very volatile. And that's because, let us say if TCS come out with a good result, then the entire IT sector will go higher. And then after that, what will happen? Some other, let us say HDFC Bank come out with a bad result, then entire banking stocks will fall. The market make a bigger move. But one good thing this time is that people are not expecting any good results. Number one, people are not expecting good results from banks. That's because of the Fed decision. So you may remember, like, and Bank Nifty has gone almost to 54,000. From there, it has come down to 51,000. So that's about a 6-7% fall. So they're not expecting any. Then IT is even more bad. In the last 2 weeks alone, TCS has fallen about 8%. So despite good results from Accenture, people are not expecting any good results from IT sector. Then people are also not expecting any good results from FMCG sector. People are not expecting any good results from oil and gas. That's why the Reliance is down more than 25% down. So when the expectation is not very good, even if the corporates come out with a bad results, people will still say, no, it has already been factored in. But in case of some positive results, the markets can go for a huge short covering. So anyway, for the month of January, I'm expecting Nifty to trade between 23,000 and 25,000. So although the range is very big, usually it's about 700-800 point range we can keep. But because, as I told you, this is the result season, the 5-week series, so we have to take some extra buffer. However, people are taking 23,800 short straddle. The combined premium is about 800 points. So that's what many people are doing. Nowadays, the markets are trading, with a lot of stability. There is no sudden spikes or move this and that. I think the volume, intraday volume would have gone very much low. But still, the option premiums are very, very lucrative due to the nature of this January series. So even now, look at, I think yesterday, I remember seeing 23,000 put trading around 120 rupees and 24,800 call was trading around 90 rupees. Right? Why I'm particularly, although I'm saying 25,000, why I'm taking the 24,800? As I told you, the biggest fall in the recent years, 26,300 to 23,300, a 3,000 point fall. 50% Fibonacci retracement is 24,800. 2 or 3 times Nifty went to 24,800 and then fell the last month. So therefore, naturally, that's going to be a resistance. Yeah. So anyway, so today is Friday, so it is time to enjoy the weekend. So I became more enthusiastic because my channel has been recovered. So tomorrow we will discuss more about the outlook for 2025 and day after tomorrow we'll discuss more about like for 1 week. So what is going to be the support and resistance kind of things. For the time being, assume that if you want to sell options, sell put option below 23,000, call option above 25,000. No need to say that you trade with some stop loss or some hedges. So that is the view right now. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.